London is an amazing city with a volatile weather. It goes through all 4 seasons every year and goes through all types of weather. According to US Travel, the best months to travel to London are January, February, March, April, May, and June because of the high temperatures and nice weather.
The elevation of London is of 35 meters above sea level. This is a low elevation which produces heat, and this can be connected to the heavy amount of rainfall and to the extreme temperatures during the summer. The latitude of London is 51.5 degrees north and 0.12 degrees west. In areas distant from the equator, such as London, the sun is at a lower angle and also there is more albedo effect because sunlight is more reflected away, seeing as London is nearer to the poles. That's why London has 4 seasons and has extreme climates like colder winters and very hot summers.
The overall climate in England is called maritime. This means that it is mild with temperatures not much lower than 0 degrees Celsius in the winter and not much higher than 32 degrees Celsius in the summer. It also means that it is damp and is subject to frequent changes.
London is extremely close to shore, bringing warm, moist air that can bring precipitation. This is why London is a rainy city.
Rainfall is an important factor in London's climate because it is one of the highest of all of them. It is recognized worldwide for its copious amounts of water that can sometimes be pernicious when they can cause floods. Sometimes the plethora of water can make the city bleak and melancholy most of the year. Since London has no major landforms near it, especially mountains which affect wind the most, it allows harsh winds to profusely ravage the land. The Gulf Stream runs straight through London, which causes a lot of wind in the area. Here we can see a graph comparing the relative humidity and wet days in London. By wet days, we're referring to days where there is rain. As you can see, there is a direct correlation between the humidity and days that it rains in London. This is not unexpected as the level of humidity usually ends up with rain. In this graph, comparing precipitation and temperature in London, there is also a correlation between the precipitation and temperature in the area. This is due because if there is a higher temperature, there is usually more precipitation.